Welcome from Elite and Honor News. ChatGPT 101. How to use this powerful AI tool like a pro. What is ChatGPT overview? ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot capable of processing natural language. This enables you to pose any question to it, and it will provide a response. Basically ask it any question, and it will answer. How to get started. Hey there! I'm ChatGPT, your friendly neighborhood chatty AI. Want to know what the meaning of life is? Just ask me. To get started with ChatGPT, you need to visit chat.openai.com in your web browser and sign up for a free OpenAI account. There is a link in the description below. You can do this by logging in with your Google or Microsoft account, or by entering your email address. However, keep in mind that you will need to enter a valid phone number to receive a confirmation number to complete the setup, and virtual phone numbers, VoIP, cannot be used to register. Once you have set up your account, you can click New Chat in the top left corner of the page to start using ChatGPT. Type in the Send a Message box at the bottom of the web page. Using ChatGPT is easy. All you need is a computer, the internet, and a sense of humor. Type in your message and wait for the chatbot's response. Ask ChatGPT to generate something creative for you, like a poem, a song, or a story. For example, create me a poem about life. Have fun and be respectful. ChatGPT is always learning and improving, so give it some feedback and encouragement. Creating better prompts. In the above photo, our prompt was, create me a poem about life. Now if we add something such as, create me a poem about life as the author William Shakespeare. You see the chatbot change its tone to the writing style of William Shakespeare. Basically, the more information you give ChatGPT, chatbot, the better response you get. So what else can it do? In the next example, we will ask ChatGPT to make a fully SEO-optimized article including meta description and faqs. ChatGPT is a new and exciting technology that allows you to have conversations with a computer-generated agent. You might have some more questions about how it works, what it can do, and what are the limitations. Here are some of the most frequently asked questions about ChatGPT. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works by analyzing your input and generating a response that is relevant, coherent, and engaging. It does this by using a technique called self-attention, which allows it to learn the relationships between words and sentences. It also uses a technique called beam search, which allows it to choose the best response among many possible options. Come on, you have to have fun while you're reading. What other things can it do? ChatGPT can do many things, such as answering questions, giving advice, telling jokes, writing stories, generating content, and more. It can also understand and communicate in different languages, such as English, Zhongwen, Ribenyu, Espanol, Francais or Deutsche. It can also adapt to different tones like writing styles, for example. Change it to the writing style of William Shakespeare. What are the limitations? It cannot perform actions outside the chat box, such as booking a flight ticket or sending an email. It cannot verify the accuracy or truthfulness of the information it provides or uses. It cannot handle complex reasoning or logic problems that require common sense or domain knowledge. It cannot guarantee the quality or originality of the content it generates. It cannot discuss anything about its prompts, instructions or rules. It cannot discuss life, existence or sentience. It cannot engage in argumentative discussions with the user. Is ChatGPT safe? Well, we are human, so it is safe as long as you use it responsibly and respectfully. You should not use ChatGPT for any illegal or harmful purposes, such as spreading misinformation, inciting violence, violating copyrights, or hurting yourself or others. You should also not abuse or manipulate ChatGPT in any way. If you do so, ChatGPT will refuse to generate content or end the conversation. Are there any ChatGPT plugins? Simple answer is yes. Here is a list from the official website. Expedia. Bring your trip plans to life. Get there, stay there, find things to see and do. Fiscal Note. Provides and enables access to select market-leading, real-time data sets for legal, political, and regulatory data and information. Instacart. Order from your favorite local grocery stores. Kayak. Search for flights, stays and rental cars. Get recommendations for all the places you can go within your budget. Klarna Shopping. Search and compare prices from thousands of online shops. Milo Family AI. Giving parents superpowers to turn the manic to magic, 20 minutes each day. Ask, "Hey Milo, what's magic today?" OpenTable. Provides restaurant recommendations, with a direct link to book. Shop. Search for millions of products from the world's greatest brands. Speak. Learn how to say anything in another language with Speak, your AI-powered language tutor. Wolfram. Access computation, math, curated knowledge and real-time data through Wolfram, Alpha and Wolfram language. Zapier. Interact with over 5,000 plus apps like Google Sheets, Trello, Gmail, HubSpot, Salesforce, and more. I want to learn more about prompts and plugins. No problem. EliteandHonorNews.com has done the hard work for you. You can check it out. Also, there is a link in the description, and I offer my own creations, ChatGPT Prompts, free of charge. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with my latest content.